Hey guys, in today's video, TikTok Lite delete video recovery. Act fast before it's gone for good. Can you recover deleted TikTok videos? Sometimes yes. TikTok has a recent deleted feature that can allow you to restore a video for a limited period, but that's only at the TikTok itself. But here at TikTok Lite, it doesn't. Sorry about that, guys. But yeah, so if you're gonna ask where do you check, open up your TikTok or TikTok Lite. If there's if there's but there's no here right here. All you need to do is open up your TikTok. And once you're here at your TikTok, just click on settings privacy. Right here, once you're here at your settings privacy, you need to go to your activity center. But as you see right now, we don't have an activity center business at TikTok. Once you're in your activity center, just click on recently deleted. It says there. So how long do you have? If you're gonna ask TikTok does currently, even for say delete post can remain in recent deleted for up to 30 days. After that period, the post is permanently deleted. So if you're gonna ask how do you restore it, just click on recent delete, select the video and click on restore. What if you don't see the recent delete? Don't panic, guys. A few things can cause this option not to appear. Your TikTok version of the app, you can also update if you want. The feature may not currently be available in your version. The deletion may have been long time ago. You're looking at a different account, or the video wasn't actually deleted and may simply be hidden or set another privacy settings. But anyways, guys, there you go. Hope you guys agree. So if you have a question, consider sabi daw question below, guys. Happy to answer as soon as possible. And thank you, guys. See you guys on the next one.